Welcome. If you've ever downloaded a file in Google Chrome and then wondered where it went, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to view your downloaded files in Google Chrome, updated for the latest version. Whether you're new to Chrome or just need a quick refresher, these steps will help you find your downloads in seconds. Let's jump right in. First, open the Chrome app on your device. If you're on your computer, simply click the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. If you're using a phone or tablet, tap the Chrome app to launch it. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu button. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you a list of options and settings for Chrome. From this menu, look for the option labeled Download. Tap on Download, and just like that, you'll be taken to a page showing all the files you've downloaded using Chrome. Here you can scroll through your download history, open files directly, or see where they're saved on your device. If you want to find a specific file, you can use the search bar at the top of the Downloads page to quickly locate it. And if you need to access the folder where your files are stored, just tap or click Show in Folder next to the file you're looking for. This will open the location on your device where the file is saved, making it easy to move, share, or organize your downloads. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, open Chrome, tap the 3 dots, and select Download. You can always keep track of your files and never lose a download again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most of your Chrome experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.